Welcome to the channel of Top Tips for Entrepreneur. You will get tips for building a successful business. Let's watch our next video. We hope that the following tips are very useful for your business.
Have you ever wondered how to write a business plan step by step? Well, wonder no more. A business plan, in essence, is a formal, written document that outlines your business's future goals and details how you plan to achieve those goals. Think of it as your business's roadmap or blueprint, a comprehensive guide that helps steer your business in the right direction. Now you might ask, why is a business plan so important? Well, a well-crafted business plan serves multiple purposes. First and foremost, it provides clarity, allowing you to understand your business model better. Secondly, it's a crucial tool for securing funding. Investors and lenders want to see that you have a clear plan in place before they commit their resources. Lastly, a business plan can help you identify potential challenges and devise strategies to overcome them, setting your business up for long-term success. Remember, a business plan isn't just a document that you whip up once and forget about. It's a living, breathing document that should evolve as your business grows and changes. So, it's crucial to revisit and revise it regularly. Now that you understand the importance of a business plan, let's delve into the process of creating one. The first step in writing a business plan is crafting an executive summary. Imagine this as your business's elevator pitch. An effective executive summary is concise, yet it encapsulates the essence of your business. It starts with your mission statement, the heart of your business. This is your business's raison d'être, its purpose for existing. It should clearly articulate who you are as a company, what you do, and why you do it. Next, you'll include a summary of your financial growth plans. This is an outline of how you plan to achieve revenue growth. It should reflect your understanding of the market dynamics, your business's competitive advantages, and how you intend to leverage these to achieve your financial objectives. Remember, your executive summary is more than just a summary. It's the first impression you make on your readers. It's what will either hook them in or turn them away. It's your chance to capture their attention, pique their interest, and compel them to read the rest of your business plan. A well-crafted executive summary sets the tone for your business plan. So, take your time to get it right. The next sections of your business plan are the company description and the objective statement. The company description is your chance to introduce your business to the world. It should include your business's registered name, the address where it operates, and the key people who drive its success. Don't forget to mention your business structure, whether it's a sole proprietorship, a partnership, or a corporation. This section lets your readers understand who you are as a business entity. Now let's move to the objective statement. This is where you outline your business's goals. What do you aspire to achieve? Where do you see your business in 5, 10, or even 20 years from now? This is your chance to dream big, but remember to stay realistic. Explain how the funding you're seeking will help you achieve these goals. Will it allow for expansion, product development, or perhaps marketing strategies? Your company description and objective statement provide the backbone of your business plan. They give readers a clear understanding of what your business is and what you hope to achieve. Understanding your market and developing a marketing strategy are critical steps in writing a business plan. Now, how do we conduct a market analysis? It's about gathering information about your business's industry, your competitors, and your customers. Know the ins and outs of your industry, identify the key players, and understand their strengths and weaknesses. Next, get to know your target customers. Understand their needs, their preferences, their buying behavior. What are they looking for in a product or service like yours? What makes them choose one business over another? Now, let's talk about developing a marketing and sales strategy. It's about positioning your business in the market. How do you want your customers to perceive your brand? What unique value can you offer that sets you apart from your competitors? Your marketing strategy should also include your sales approach. How will you reach your customers? What channels will you use? It could be social media, email marketing, SEO, or traditional advertising. The key is to choose the methods that will effectively reach your target audience and communicate your unique value proposition. A thorough market analysis and robust marketing strategy can give you a competitive edge and guide your business to success. The final sections of your business plan are your financial statements and projections. These are crucial as they provide a clear picture of your business's financial health, both now and in the future. They include your balance sheet, income statement, and cash flow statement. Projections, on the other hand, are your educated predictions of future revenues, expenses, and net income. These projections help you and potential investors understand the profitability potential of your venture. They serve as a testament to your understanding of the financial mechanics that drive your business and are a powerful tool for steering your business towards its goals. But let's not forget, your business plan needs to stand out. It should not only be a collection of facts and figures, but also a story. Your story. It should convey your passion, commitment, and vision in a way that resonates with your audience, be it potential investors, partners, or employees. And remember, you're not alone in this journey. There are resources like SCORE and the Small Business Administration that can provide invaluable assistance in crafting your business plan. Remember, a solid business plan is your roadmap to success. It not only guides your business decisions, but also helps attract potential investors.
So there you have it, folks, our tips to run your business. Best luck on your entrepreneurial journey. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe our video. See you in our next video.